How do you say where is the nearest police station in Malay? Di mana balai polis paling dekat? Di mana balai polis paling dekat? Or, dekat mana balai polis paling dekat? Dekat mana balai polis paling dekat? Or we rearrange the question and add the word ada, which means to exist or to be. Balai polis paling dekat ada dekat mana? Balai polis paling dekat ada dekat mana? Di mana? Dekat mana? Kat mana? Where? Balai polis, police station. Paling dekat, nearest. Ada, to exist or to be.
Dun 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 dun.